Alright guys, welcome back to this channel, and in this video we are going to be doing this question. 1 plus I is to the power of IY. How do I evaluate this? Okay, so I want to approach it this way. You know that 1 plus I is a complex number, right? Which means that Z is equals to 1 plus I. And there are many ways I can write a complex number. I can write it as a form of polar, I can write it in exponential form, and every other form I want to. So let me write this in exponential form so that I can start from there. In exponential form, Z is equals to R e to the I theta, right? So I just need R and I need theta. Formula for R, remember R is equals to the square root of the real part squared and imaginary part squared, which means that R is equals to root of 2. Then your theta is equals to the arctan of the real part, the imaginary part over the real part. Meaning that theta is equals to the arctan of 1, which is pi over 4. So we've settled R and pi and theta. So this whole thing can also be written as Z is equal to root 2. You get that now? Root 2 exponential I pi over 4. Do you get it now? That is also 1 plus I. So if I want to rewrite this whole question, the whole question would now be, let's say 1 plus I to the power of IY would now be the same as writing root of 2 e to I pi over 4 to the power of what? IY. Are you following? So let me clear this part of the equation. If I should have so if I want to open the bracket with the whole power, it will be such that the root of 2 will be to the power of what? I1 and e to the power of I squared y pi over 4, right? Do you get that now? So this is the same thing as writing the root of 2 into IY, then e to the power of minus pi over 4 pi over 4y, right? So now that I know what this is, I want to, there's still I in the question, which I don't really want to work with, right? So now, how do I do it? Remember that E, let me call it a recall. Recall that E to the power of I theta is equals to what? Cos theta plus what? Plus I sine theta. Look at how I want to link it up. What if I write this expression? What if I write it like this? Ln, right? This is like writing this way. Then this is IY. Do you get it now? Now because I'm having a ln of the whole thing, so it can drop. So it's like writing E to IY ln of root 2, because I'm working with ln because the power is consigned to root of 2. Do you see? Very interesting. So what do you think that would imply? That would imply that would literally be that this expression here will now be what? The cos of, what is my theta in this expression? Now my theta is what? My theta is ln root 2 y, because that's my theta, that's representing my theta. Everything like ei is still intact. Then plus I sine what? Theta, which is ln 2 y. Okay, so don't forget that that's not all about the question. There is still what? Exponential minus pi over 4y. That will be your final answer. All right, thank you so much for sticking to to this part. All right, if you have not subscribed to this channel, kindly do so, because that's how we are encouraged to do more, and we love to also see you to be part of the family. So I'll see you in the next video, and until then, bye for now.